Hiya! So these are my 3 hairstyles that I decided to try out on my 3 synthetic wigs. They're not my only synthetic wigs, but they're my like top favorite synthetic wigs. I actually got inspired to do this video because I got this brand new wig from Feshfen. I absolutely am so absolutely in love with its color that I decided, listen, I'm going to make a hairstyling video, but I'm not going to only do it with one wig. I'm going to do it with 2 more Feshfen wigs. I absolutely love their stuff. This one is Feshfen. I have a bunch others that are also Feshfen. So anyways, then I decided to do some cute, easy, but still like funky sort of hairstyles. Obviously, you could do this on any type of hair, not necessarily synthetic colored hair. I'm going to link every single one of these wigs down in the description box below, as well as Feshfen and my own personal coupon code. It's just Stella, and you get $18 off. Everything is going to be linked down in the description box below. I'm not going to keep you any longer because this video was long enough to film. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.